morning student. Today we will discuss storage devices. As we need to revise things again and again to remember for long time, in the same way computer has need storage devices to store the data for long time. In previous video we have discussed about the internal memory of computer. In this video we will discuss about secondary storage devices. External memory store data permanently. External memory is also called the permanent and secondary memory. It stores data for long time and data is not lost when computer turn off. If we run a program from the secondary memory, it takes more time to run because it is copied from the secondary storage into the internal memory. Hard disk is the main storage medium for computers. Hard disk is fixed into the CPU box. We know how it works. Hard disk is made up of a collection of disks known as platters. Platters are spun with the read-write head. Platters further divided into tracks and tracks divided into selectors. So that we can know that where we locate data and read it. This can store up to 8 TB data. CD. It stands for compact disc. It is a thin, shiny, and circular in shape. It can store 700 MB of data. Measure 4.7 inches in half side. Digital versatile disc or DVD. It can store up to 4.7 GB to 17 GB. Store with higher video and sound quality like movie. Difference between CD and DVD is a recordable device. We enter data into the CD, we can only read it and cannot erase and rewrite on it. Stored in DVD can be erased and rewritten many times. It works like a pen drive. To work with CD and DVD, we need to CD driver to run on it. James Russell invented the first CD. Next, we will discuss Blu-ray disc. Blu-ray disc is a blue-violet laser device. It can store up to 128 GB of data with high-quality sound and movie data. This is latest optical disc. Next, we will discuss flash drive. Flash drive is also known as pen drive. It is most widely used storage device. It can store up to 2 TB of data. It's small, light, and read-writable device. It is plug and play device and connected with the USB port. And connect it with computer with USB port. First flash drive is Disk 1 key. It is manufactured in 2000. Now we will discuss about memory card. It is a storage device for portable device like mobile, digital camera and music player. These devices can transfer data into the computer. We can easily remove memory card from these devices and attach it to the computer. We can use memory card adapter for this process. Multimedia card can store up to 512 GB of data. Now we will discuss about computer port. Computer port is a connection point between a computer and storage devices or internal devices. Internal port is used to connect devices like hard drive and CD-ROM. Whereas external port is used to connect devices like modem, printer, mouse, keyboard, etc. Thanks for watching. In next video we will discuss second chapter.